Hello guys! Welcome to
Bayad
So guys, here we are at Cape Fear River Trail to unwind and breathe some air, good air.
Let's look around.
It's a nice place for, family bonding.
Yeah.
So we used to come here if we want to go walking,
Jogging
and biking.
Bayad pa.
So today guys, Rachel and Yana will showcase their skills on how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Ready, set, go!
Wow, galing naman Rachel.
By the way guys, Rachel is just only 6 years old.
First grade.
And her mentor is Ate Yana.
Galing mo ni.
And the last one.
Leave her, mama ni. Yay! Time check, 2 minutes and 11 seconds.
Yay!
Good job,
This one, see?
Good job, Rachel. So, mama ni, it's 2 minutes and 11 seconds.
Yes.
So now Ate Yana is going to share to us their secret on how they solve this Rubik's Cube. So by the way, Ate Yana was the one who taught Rachel. How many weeks or days did you learn?
1 week.
1 week?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ate Yana, can you tell us your secret?
So the first thing, you need to do a daisy, which means 4 white
Daisy?
edge pieces. Yes, because the 4 white edge pieces are going to surround the yellow, which makes it looks like a daisy. So you need to figure out how to put the middle part, which is the edge piece, up here. So in this case, just do like that until you make a daisy.
Ah, so that's what you mean by daisy. Okay, so there's one yellow in the middle and okay, like a cross. Okay.
And then the next
And what about the other sides? It doesn't matter?
So we're gonna solve this by layers.
Ah,
instead
by
of
layers.
pieces. So next step, we're gonna do a white cross at the bottom.
Okay,
And
wait.
that's
The daisy is on the other side. So what
Yeah.
do you mean by white cross?
The bottom of the.
At the bottom, the opposite side of
Yeah.
that daisy.
Because yellow
Okay.
is gonna be opposite of white.
Okay,
So
wait. What did
first-
you say?
Yellow is always gonna be
Yellow,
opposite
and
of
then
white.
the opposite should be white. Okay, the bottom side, right? Okay.
So first, you need to find the bottom part, the other sticker of the edge piece, and match it with the center piece, and then turn it twice. 1, 2. So it will be placed down. Then here green, so you need to find the green and then place it down. Then blue, already matched. Then orange, then down. That creates a white cross. And it's fine if there's some corner pieces.
Okay, wait. So you said white cross. That's the opposite of the daisy, right? Okay.
And then this white cross is gonna stay at the bottom, for the rest of the solve.
Okay.
Next, you need to find at the top corner white. Then you go to the side of it. In this case, it's green, and you need to diagonally match it to the same color of the centerpiece. They're green. And then you do triggers. So this is how you do the right trigger, up, and then right, and then down. This places it there. At a left trigger, if it's on this side. This is the left trigger, like that. So now, orange, so match it, and then this is on the right side, so we do the right trigger, and then this one red is on the left side, so we do the left trigger, again. If the white is at the bottom or at the top, you can just do the triggers, and if it's at the top, then you need to place it that down there's no white. It's not here, so I can't really show you. And next is, now you solve the whole
Just keep going.
bottom layer and the bottom face. Now the second layer. So what you need to do is find edge pieces that don't have yellow, like this one. And then you match it with the centerpiece. It makes an upside down T. And then you look at the top of it, see which one it matches, which center. In this case, the red. So you turn it left because the red is on the left, and then do the left trigger. And then the white is out of place, so just place it back like what we did in the first step. There. Now this part is solved. Then just do it again. Matches here. Then put it back like that. Like that. There. An orange. Now the second layer is solved.
Okay, pause ka muna at let's see how it looks like now. This time. So we have the bottom white. Then that's the first layer, second layer. Okay, so our problem is the third layer, right?
Yes, and the top face. Now we're gonna do the top face. First, we need to do a yellow cross. How we're going to do that is, our first algorithms. So first, we need to learn the cube notations. So this is front. You have to move it clockwise. Front.
Okay, wait.
F, which is front. B is back. And then L is left. And then R. Down. And up. You know, actually this way. So if you see a letter like U, which is for up, you have to turn it clockwise. But if you see U prime, which is
U prime
has a like that, then that means it's counterclockwise. U prime. So our first algorithm is for Earth. So it's to form the white cross, the yellow cross, F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And do it again. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Then you see this vertical line, and you have to face it toward you. And do it again. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Until you get this L, kind of L. Then you have to face it up, so it's like that. And then do it again. Until you have a white cross. And the next thing,
yellow cross?
yellow cross. And the next thing is you need to find a edge piece that is here, and then you face it to your left hand, and then you're going to do another algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, then R prime. And then do it again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Until you get what looks like a fish. Then you have to put the fish facing down and left again, and then do it again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Until you get like that. And then you match it there. And then in this case, there's no fully solved, so we can just do another algorithm. If it's not fully solved, you can just do the counterclockwise algorithm, which is F2, U prime, R prime, L, F2, L prime, R, U prime, and then F2. And then you have a fully solved one, and that should be facing away from you. And then here, this red has to go here, this orange has to go here, and this green has to go here. So that's going in a clockwise. So then you do the clockwise algorithm, which is F2, U, R prime, L, F2, L prime, R, U, and then F2. Then it's solved.
Wow, very good. I'm proud of you, Atiana.
It takes some practice to memorize.
Yeah, really, even me, I can't understand it, but I will take time.
You just have to memorize the algorithms and practice.
Practice, keep practicing so you can.
Sometimes I messed up.
That's why it took you 1 week, right, to learn?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll take 1 month to learn this one. Alright, so now it's Atiana's turn. 3, 2, 1, start. Time's up.
1 minute and 7 seconds.
Wow! Mani, 1 minute and 7 seconds for Atiana.
That was her fastest time yet.
Ever?
Yeah.
Yay! Good job!
Great job.
So 1 minute difference.
Yeah, we are so proud of you. So guys, thank you for watching our videos all the time, and don't forget to subscribe and like.
Yay! God is
And
good.
share it